First we will have star rating. Inside this span, we will use Array.from method. I will explain the code in a bit. We need to use star icon, so let's install a package called React Icons. It's installed. Let me break this down for you. Array.from is a method in JavaScript used to create a new array instance from an iterable object. For example, strings, sets, or array-like object like the arguments object. One handy feature of Array.from is that it can also take a second argument, a map function, which allows transformation on the elements while creating the array. We are using Array.from to create an array based on an object. If we go inside test/hotel.json, in here we have a star rating object, but React cannot render objects directly. It only renders primitives like numbers and strings. Always extract the primitive value from the objects before using it in JSX rendering. This object, hotel star rating number int, is the dynamic value we are working with, defines the length of the array that we want to create. It's representing the number of stars for a hotel's rating. After creating an array, we immediately use the map function on it to iterate over each element of the array. In this case, the map method assigns each element to display a star component. In the map function, we have two arguments, but since we are not using the first one, we just say here underscore. If we skip this underscore, then we will have an error. Let me show the error to you. Let's save it. And if I open console, this is the error that we are getting. Each child in a list should have a unique key prop. And if we say here underscore and save it, refresh, you can see the error is gone. This is another error. We will look into it in a while. We are using the index of the array as the key for the stars to ensure each element has a unique identifier. For each item in the array, we render an AI fill star component. Let's style it. And because we are using map function, we need to give a unique key. So for class name, let's say fill yellow 400 and also a size of 18, which makes the star color yellow and a bit big in size. Now if we go to the browser, we have the hotel images with their corresponding star rating. And if for example, for the first one we have 5 stars, let's say in here, let's skip the first 5, this, and for the star rating in here let's say 8 and save it. Our code will dynamically render 8 stars by creating a corresponding array and mapping over it.